In this brief tutorial, I will provide a high-level overview of the steps involved in setting up and attaching your new insulin pump and CGM. The purpose of this video is to help you be better prepared for your in-person pump and CGM training with a licensed representative. Start by filling the reservoir. Your doctor will advise you on how much insulin you should draw out of the vial. Next, attach the reservoir to the back of the pump. Select the appropriate option on the control panel located on the front of the insulin pump to load the reservoir. As the reservoir is loading, attach the infusion set to the desired location on your body. Some recommended spots are the belly and arms. Attach the tubing from the insertion set to the tubing on the reservoir. Disconnect the part of the infusion set shown in this image from your body before priming the pump. Otherwise, you risk receiving an unintended bolus of insulin, which may result in severe hypoglycemia, otherwise known as low blood sugar. Select the appropriate option on the front of the pump to begin the priming process. When the pump is done priming, reattach the piece you disconnected from the infusion set. Then, select the appropriate option on the front of the pump to begin insulin delivery. You'll work with your provider in advance to discuss settings that will specify your basal rate. Your basal rate is the amount of insulin you receive each hour. Your bolus rate, which is the amount of insulin dispensed before a meal, and other settings that will prompt your pump to make automatic treatment decisions about withholding insulin when it detects your blood sugar is low, and administering insulin when it detects your blood sugar is rising or high. Now that the pump is connected and delivering insulin, it's time to connect the CGM. Begin by using the insertion device to insert the CGM port onto your body. Press the orange button. The CGM can be placed on the arms and the belly, just as with the pump. Next, affix the CGM to the port. The final steps involve using an app on your phone to start the CGM warm-up process, and selecting the appropriate option on your pump to link it with the CGM. After a 2-hour warm-up period, your blood sugar will appear in real time on your phone and your pump. We've reached the end of the tutorial. You'll soon be on your way to better diabetes management.